is Carolien and I work at the University of Amsterdam, and I've also done the Research Master Psychology, and I now work as a PhD student. I work as a PhD student and I study cognitive aging in autistic people. So our main research question is whether autistic people age the same way as non-autistic people. And what I really like about my work is that it's really diverse. So I interact a lot with autistic and non-autistic elderly, but also my work is challenging and in-depth in the research itself. So it has a lot of data components to it, but also writing and making a coherent story out of our findings. So I've done the Research Master Psychology, and the added value of this master was that it gave me a lot of practical research tools. So in my daily work, I work a lot with different statistical approaches, and I actually learned them all during my masters. So we got hands-on experience with different types of statistical analyses, and that's really helpful in my work today. I would advise students who are now looking for a job or thinking about what to do next is just to see what comes on their path and to grasp the opportunities that they get. So for instance, if a person offers you something, never say no. Just do it for a while and see how it works out. And in the end, you'll find that this spontaneous route will actually take you to the best opportunities that you would maybe have never imagined.